Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today we're going to be building another 1-to-1 scale train, and we're going to be doing this Amtrak F40PH in the 1-to-1 scale here. So let's get right into the build. So we'll start off with the front end here, and we're going to take out a polished black stone block and put one on the bottom middle. On either side of it, an upside down polished black stone stair. On the front middle, a dark oak slab, and open a fence gate on either side of it. Come behind here in the middle, we're going to do a netherite, then 2 rows of 3 polished deep slate slabs on the upper hitbox, and then a netherite. Then we're going to put a hopper here and here, and same thing on this side. Then crouch, and put a wither skeleton skull on the sides of all 4 of these hoppers. And then we're going to put 2 fence gates on the center here, and 2 on this side over here. Then behind this, in the middle, we're going to put 6 polished black stone blocks coming back. Then 6 upside down stairs on this side. And 6 upside down stairs on this side. Then come behind this, on this bottom middle here, and we're going to put a string down in this hole. And we're going to do 2 rows of 3 sideways anvils for the air tanks. Then behind this, we'll do a netherite in the middle, then 2 rows of 3 polished deep slate slabs on the upper hitbox, then a netherite in the middle. Behind it, a polished black stone block with an upside down stair on either side. Back here, put a dark oak slab in the middle and open a fence gate on either side. Then we're going to put a hopper here and here, 1 here and here. Then crouch, and we're going to put a wither skeleton skull on the side of all 4 of these hoppers. Then we're going to put 2 fence gates in the middle here, and 2 over on this side. Then take out an iron door, and we're going to turn this way and put an iron door right here. Then we need to crouch, and we need to get a dark oak fence gate above this one, like that. And then 1 over on this side here. Then we'll put a chain across this gap here. Then on the side of the bottom here, open a dark oak fence gate. Open 1 on this side here. Then right behind this door in the middle, we're going to put a light gray concrete and a black concrete. Then 2 light gray on either side like this. Then we'll come in front of it, and we're going to bring it 2 high with light gray concrete all the way down both sides of the locomotive. And come right up to this corner, and then 2 on this front middle. Up here we'll put a polished black stone slab in the center and a black carpet on either side. Then behind that we're going to do a black glass block, light gray concrete, black glass. Then a black concrete in the middle behind it, and a black stained glass pane on either side. Then a white stained glass pane here and here. Then take out a mangrove sign, put 1 on the fuel tank here, 1 down on the fuel tank right here. Then behind this in the middle, we'll do a line of light gray concrete all the way to the back here. Then we're going to come back up here. We'll put 2 black concrete on the side right here and on this side. Then we're going to do a deep slate tile slab on the upper hitbox of each side. Then a light gray concrete. Then 3 deep slate tile slabs on each side on the upper hitbox. Then a light gray concrete behind them. Then come down to the back end, and we're going to put a light gray on either side of the back, and fill the rest of this gap with deep slate tile slabs on the upper hitbox of each side. Then take out black concrete and run a full line up this top middle till you're above the windshield. Then go back to deep slate tile slabs, and everywhere there's a deep slate tile slab, put another slab on top of it. Same thing on this side. Then we'll start above the window here and do polished black stone slabs and fill in all these gaps between the deep slate tile slabs. And copy that on this side, just like that. Then we're going to take out a daylight sensor on this top middle for all our fans. We're going to come back here, we're going to put one here, one here, one here, and then one right here. Then up here, we're going to do a dark oak trapdoor and a polished black stone slab. On the very front, open a fence gate for the horn. Then we're going to come in and we need item frame, frog light, and also a conduit. On the either side of the top of the front, put a conduit. Then right here, put an item frame with a frog light. Then take out iron bars. Come on the side, we're going to put 2 iron bars here, 2 here. Do the same thing over here. We're going to put 2 here and 2 here. Then we'll come to the rear end above this door, a glow item frame with a frog light. Then take out a mangrove button and put a mangrove button on either side of that. Now we need to make some banners, so come into a loom with a black banner and light gray dye. Put a border on it and make the bottom half light gray. And this will be for the side doors on the cab. So we'll come up here and we're going to go ahead and put one right here. Do the same thing on this side, one over here. Now we have to do all our striping, so we have lots more banners to make. So come back into a loom. This time we're going to use a red banner and blue dye. And we're going to make the bottom half blue. Then go to white dye, put a horizontal in the middle, go to light gray, horizontal on bottom. Then go to black dye, horizontal on top. And this will represent the lettering on the side. So we're going to come one block past those and put 3. Same thing on this, one block behind the iron bars, put 3 of these. Now we're going to come back into a loom with a red banner and blue dye again, make the bottom half blue, a white horizontal on the center, then go to light gray and put a horizontal light gray on the top and bottom. Then we'll put 2 of these here, 1 here, and then all the way down to the back. Then 1 on either side of this door, all the way up this side, 1 here, 2 here. Then we're going to take this same banner back into a loom and we'll go to yellow dye and make the bottom left corner yellow, and that'll be for the ditch light. And we're going to put this one on this side. Then we'll come back in, red banner, blue dye, make the bottom half blue, white horizontal on the center, go to light gray, horizontal on top and bottom, go to yellow and make the bottom right corner yellow for the other ditch light. And then put this one right here. Now the banner work's done and we got to do our number boards. So we're going to take out a birch sign. Right here, put a birch sign with our number, 315. Same thing on the opposite side. Then hit those with a glowing sack. Then we're going to come down on the back right here and put a sign right here with 315. And then one on this other side right here. And now the number boards are done. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Amtrak F40PH locomotive here in the smaller 1:1 scale. I hope everyone enjoyed this build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.